So you're sick and tired of paying $5 for a simple milk tea. You're not alone. Today we're whipping up 10 milk tea drinks that are not only fun to make, but also beautiful, delicious, and most importantly, budget-friendly. So grab your cutest cup, let us get brewing, and say goodbye to those pricey milk teas because you can make them right at home. Starting off our countdown at number 10, we have the classic black milk tea. This timeless drink is a staple for a reason. It's simple, it's elegant, and it's oh so satisfying. To make this beauty, brew a strong batch of black tea. My go-to is English breakfast because it's robust and has those lovely tannins. Once your tea is brewed, it's time to add a dash of sweetness. Today I'm using sweetened condensed milk, which is essentially evaporated milk with added sugar. It's thicker and sweeter than regular milk, so a little goes a long way. Start with about 2 tablespoons and adjust to your liking. For those who prefer their milk tea on the lighter side, you can use whole milk and add a spoonful of sugar. Now, let's pour everything over ice and admire this gorgeous golden-hued concoction. The creamy milk dances with the deep amber liquid, creating a visual delight that is as pleasing as its taste. Remember, you can adjust the sweetness and milkiness to your liking. But honestly, this classic combo is hard to beat. Up next, at No. 9, we're taking a trip to Thailand with the Thai milk tea. Thai iced tea is known for its vibrant orange color and bold flavor. It's like black tea got a tropical makeover. To get that signature hue, we'll start by using Thai tea leaves. These special leaves contain a natural reddish-orange pigment that gives the tea its beautiful color. If you can't find these leaves, don't worry. You can still make a mean Thai milk tea using black tea. Just add a pinch of star anise during steeping for a similar flavor profile. While your tea is steeping, mix together your ingredients for the spice blend. This will give your milk tea that aromatic Thai kick. Once your tea is brewed, add the spice mix and give it a good stir. Next, add evaporated milk and sugar to your liking. For a Thai milk tea closer to what you'd find in Thailand, use evaporated milk instead of condensed milk. It's less sweet and has a thinner consistency. Now pour everything over ice and take a sip. Can you almost feel the warm Thai breeze on your skin as you sip this refreshing drink? At No. 8, we're diving into the world of matcha with the matcha milk tea. Matcha is more than just a trendy tea. It's an experience. This powdered green tea is known for its distinct bitter grassy flavor and vibrant green color. To begin, mix 1 teaspoon of matcha powder with a bit of warm water. Make sure to sift the matcha powder to avoid any lumps. Then add a splash of milk and a drizzle of honey for a touch of sweetness. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even add tapioca pearls for a fun, chewy texture. Give everything a good stir and pour over ice. The result? A beautiful pale green tea that's both energizing and refreshing. Now let us turn up the heat with the brown sugar boba milk at number 7. This drink needs no introduction. Its caramel notes and chewy tapioca pearls are a match made in heaven. First, add brown sugar to your saucepan on low heat. You want to caramelize the sugar, not burn it. So patience is key. As the sugar melts and turns a rich amber color, it's time to add tapioca pearls. Let's gently coat the pearls in the caramel. Next, pour in your choice of milk. For this recipe, I'm using whole milk for that extra richness. However, you can use any milk alternative you desire. Stir continuously until the milk is nice and warm. The caramel will thicken, creating that signature swirl. Pour your brown sugar boba milk into your favorite cup and enjoy the sweet, boozy goodness. Next up at No. 6, we're getting a little fancy with the taro milk tea. This stunning purple drink not only looks amazing, but also tastes incredibly smooth and sweet. To make this magical elixir, you'll need taro powder. This fine dried powder captures the essence of the taro root. However, if you're feeling extra creative, you can steam and mash the taro root yourself. If you do, just make sure to remove the skin before mashing. For a more traditional look, in a blender, mix together taro powder, milk, and sugar. Add some ice cubes, and blend until you achieve a thick, creamy consistency similar to a smoothie. The result, a beautiful, pale, purple beverage that's as delightful to sip on as it is to look at. At No. 5, we're keeping the party going with the strawberry milk tea. This fruity concoction combines calming essence of green tea with the sweet burst of strawberries. Start by steeping a batch of green tea. While your tea is steeping, slice up fresh strawberries and mix in some strawberry syrup. This will amplify the strawberry flavor. Once your tea is brewed, Combine it with the strawberry mixture and give it a good stir. Don't forget to add a few strawberry chunks for both color and texture. Now pour your tea over ice and take a sip. The combination of the cool minty green tea and the juicy strawberries is a true summer delight. Now let's bring some chocolate magic into the mix with the chocolate milk tea at No. 4. This rich and decadent drink is a delightful fusion of hot cocoa and black tea. It's like two beloved beverages had a love child. And the result is pure magic. Brew a strong batch of black tea. If your English breakfast or Assam will work wonders here. Next, add cocoa powder to your milk. Whisk everything together to ensure the cocoa powder is fully dissolved. Once your tea is brewed, combine it with the chocolate milk mixture and add your preferred amount of sugar. Give it a final stir and pour over ice. If you're feeling extra fancy, top it off with some whipped cream for that cafe feel. From chocolate, let's turn to another tea favorite, hojicha, at No. 3. Hojicha is a roasted green tea hailing from Japan. Its unique toasty flavor makes it a delightful addition to our milk tea lineup. Simply steep hojicha tea according to the package instructions. This tea's already roasted, so we won't have to do any fancy roasting ourselves. Once steeped, mix in your choice of milk. I'm using whole milk for its rich, creamy taste, but feel free to experiment with other milk types. A dash of honey will complement the tea's naturally occurring mild sweetness. Give it all a good stir and pour over ice. The result, a pale, golden-hued tea with a nutty, toasty flavor that's incredibly refreshing. Now let's brighten up the day with the honey lemon milk tea at No. 2. This sunny beverage is a delightful blend of black tea, honey, and lemon, offering a sweet and tangy refreshment that's perfect for any occasion. Start by steeping a batch of black tea. Any variety you like will do. Just make sure it's nice and strong. While your tea is steeping, mix honey and lemon juice in a separate container. Once your tea is ready, combine it with the honey-lemon mix and give it a good stir. For an extra burst of flavor, add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Finally, pour in your choice of milk and stir well. If desired, you can even add some ice cubes and give it another stir. Now pour your honey lemon milk tea into a glass filled with ice and take a sip. The harmonious marriage of sweet honey, zesty lemon, and robust black tea will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Last but certainly not least, we have the coffee milk tea, or yuan yang. Style at No. 1. This invigorating drink is a must-try for coffee and tea lovers alike. It's like they read my mind. Strong black tea meets hot coffee in this delightful fusion, creating a balanced blend of caffeine and flavor. Begin by brewing a batch of strong black tea. To make a standard serving, you'll want about 1 teaspoon of tea per 8 ounces of water. Next, add instant coffee to your tea. This will infuse a rich coffee flavor without altering the tea's natural taste. Mix everything well to ensure the coffee is fully dissolved. Now add your preferred amount of milk and sugar and give it a final stir. The result, a harmonious balance between the robust flavors of coffee and black tea. Pour your coffee milk tea into a glass and enjoy the perfect pick-me-up. And there you have it, folks. From classic black milk tea to the coffee milk tea, we've taken you on a delightful journey through the world of milk teas. Remember, you can customize these recipes to your heart's content. Add different toppings, adjust the sweetness or milkiness, or even mix and match flavors. Don't forget to drop your favorite in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and budget-friendly recipe videos. Thanks for sipping with us at Quick Budget Bites, and until next time, happy brewing.